dear students to the first practical of BID 102, that is food biotechnology. So today we are going to be studying milk microbiology by grading of milk. We are going to be grading milk by using two dyes, and the first dye is MBRT, that is methylene blue dye reduction test. So if you look at the ingredients or the components required for this experiment, there is pipettes which are autoclaved in a canister. There are milk samples such as milk sample at room temperature, milk sample which was kept in the freezer, the control milk sample and milk sample that is kept at 4 degrees Celsius. Four sterile test tubes which can be labeled as follows. A is for the room temperature milk sample, B is for the milk sample kept in the freezer, C is for the boiled milk sample which is kept in the fridge, and D is the control milk sample. You also need the dye, that is methylene blue, to perform this test. So as you can see, I am using a 10 ml pipette to draw the samples from the different samples labeled as you have been informed. Okay, so let us begin with the room temperature sample. So I am drawing 10 ml. Into the tube labeled as A. So I have changed the pipette for the second sample, which is the milk sample that I have taken from the freezer. So again here I am going to be drawing 10 ml of the sample, and I am going to transfer it into the test tube labeled B. Changed the pipette, and now I am going to be drawing 10 ml from the sample labeled C, that is the milk sample from the refrigerator at 4 degrees Celsius. So you can see I am drawing 10 ml sample, and then I am going to be transferring it into the test tube labeled C. Similarly, last but not the least, I am going to withdraw 10 ml from the control sample by changing the pipette so that there is no cross contamination, and I am going to transfer it into this blue cap test tube labeled as control. Students, how we have transferred 10 ml of each of the samples into the respective test tubes labeled as A, B, C and D is your control. Now we will be adding 1 ml of MBRT, that is methylene blue dye, and we will see or observe the color changes to indicate the amount of microbial contamination. We will be adding 1 ml of this dye methylene blue into each of our tubes. So you may observe
Okay.
You may observe So you may observe the samples, and we are going to give a gentle stir and place these tubes in the water bath at 37 degrees till we observe the complete color change of the milk sample, indicating whether or not there is microbial contamination. So I am going to be placing this into the pre-adjusted 37 degrees water bath. As you can see, there is water here, and we are going to leave these tubes for some time with intermittent shaking so as to observe the color change. Students, you have seen the entire procedure for this milk microbiology experiment for grading of this milk quality by use of MBRT, that is methylene blue dye reduction test. And after the incubation period at 37 degrees and intermittent stirring, we have found out the results. So you can see or observe the color changes that have taken place in the 4 milk samples. Okay, so the first one is your control. So the color has remained unchanged even after keeping the sample, milk sample, which is boiled. Therefore, there is no bacterial contamination inside this sample. Therefore, the change in color has not been observed. Whereas, the milk that is kept in freezing temperatures shows a similar condition wherein the color changes have not taken place, indicating that there is negligible microbial contamination even in freezing temperatures. Now, the milk that is stored at 4 degrees also indicates that there is very little microbial contamination, and that is very prominent by the dark blue color seen in the case of the milk sample which was labeled B, that is at 4 degrees or your refrigeration temperatures. Finally, the milk sample that was pasteurized and left overnight outside was the sample that got completely color changed, wherein the blue color of methylene blue has completely changed or reduced into a colorless solution. So this indicates a heavy spoilage of microorganisms, and this is the preliminary test to find out whether or not there is microbial contamination in your milk samples using this reducing dye or MBRT. So thank you, students.